You are amazing and you can handle anything. Hello everyone. Welcome back. How are you today? Take a deep breath, and let's spend a few quiet minutes together. Today, I want to share a very special message with you. Here is your reminder for today: you are amazing, and you can handle anything. Let's slow down, relax, and look at these simple A1 English words together. They are very powerful and can change your whole day. Part 1. You are amazing. Let's look at the first part. You are amazing. You means the person listening right now. Yes, you. Are is a simple verb for how we are. Amazing means very good, wonderful, or special. Sometimes, life is hard. Maybe you feel tired today. Maybe your work is a lot, or you feel a little lonely. Sometimes you look in the mirror and you think, I am not special. I make mistakes. Do you ever think like that? We all do. But guess what? You are amazing. Why? You wake up every single day and you try your best. That is hard work. You learn new things. Look at you right now, listening to English and trying to improve. That is amazing. You care for your family, your friends, and the people around you. Even on bad days, you are still doing a great job. Say it with me in your head: I am amazing. Good. Part 2. You can handle anything. Now let's look at the second part. You can handle anything. Can means you have the power to do something. Handle means to deal with a problem or get through a hard time. Anything means all things, big or small. Think about your life. Have you had hard days in the past? Of course you have. Everyone does. Did you get through them? Yes, you did. You survived every single hard day you ever had. If you look at your past, you are a survivor. When a big problem comes today or tomorrow, it is normal to feel scared. But if you take a breath and say, I can handle this, your brain becomes stronger. Is the work hard? You can handle it step by step. Just one thing at a time. Is English difficult? You can learn it a little bit every day. Do you feel sad? This feeling will pass, and you can handle it. You are much stronger than you think you are. Part 3. Let's practice together. Now, let's practice saying these words out loud together. Don't be shy. Put your hand right here, on your heart. Feel it beating. Now, say out loud, I am amazing. Great job. Say, I can do hard things. Very nice. Say, I can handle anything. Wonderful. Whenever things go wrong, stop what you are doing. Take a deep breath, and say those sentences. Conclusion, your daily reminder. Today, when you go outside, work, or study, keep this message in your heart. Whenever you feel tired or doubt yourself, stop. Take a deep breath. Remember, you are amazing, and you can handle anything. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. You did a wonderful job. Have a powerful, beautiful day, and see you next time. Bye bye.